Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a little sneaky peeky, a little sneak peek of the new update that's coming up this weekend on Grow a Garden. As you can see, it says coming soon in 2 days. I am pretty excited. This is what it will look like, okay? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Here's a sneak peek. I found this image online. I'm gonna assume that is the update after this. But, oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous. Like, I don't know about you, but those stand with hearts, I don't know what they are. Like, I don't know how the system is going to be later, but it looks super duper cute. I don't know where our garden is going to go. And if you see on the very top of the picture, says tokens, booth, and index, and not seeds, garden cells. So I don't know, you guys. We're going to teleport to it. So we're going to have this teleportation system, and it's going to teleport us through the other land. Well, the one you're looking at right now. But yeah, that is the small preview. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I still don't know what we're gonna do later. Maybe there's some trading still happening. I don't know. But just be prepared. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!